Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, click that button down below and subscribe. Alright, so today's look is going to be that fresh face look. I'm going to show you some of the products I can always count on and I pretty much use when I'm like literally rushing, and I just want that fresh face look because we don't always want to wear like a lot of makeup. Nice BB cream is nice, CC cream is good, but I mean, this foundation that I'm about to show you guys is actually one of the foundations that I love to use for a fresh face look because it gives me the coverage that I want and it's not overly heavy on my face and I don't feel it, you know? So I already moisturized my face. I use the Clinique. I have it over there, I'm sorry. I will leave a link down below for you guys if you guys are interested, but I did use the Clinique moisturizer on my face and I also did my brows, as you can see. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to prime, and for primer today I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is the Mercier and this is the Foundation Hydrating Primer. So I'm just gonna grab that much. It's kind of like another moisturizer. I'm going to apply that all over the face, and that's just going to help add a little bit of extra hydration to the face because sometimes I do have some dry areas and dry patches. So these past couple weeks I haven't been crazy. Like, I don't get it crazy all the time, but over here I do get it pretty bad sometimes, like patches wise, but nothing crazy that I can't handle. So if you have like dry patches and stuff, always try to use like a nice hydrating primer. It's gonna help on top of that moisturizer. You guys already know that I always have to go in with a second one, and this is the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up Face Primer Goodbye Pores. And this one, of course, is going to be for my pores area, and that's what it looks like. Sadly, I haven't seen the display at CVS anymore. I don't know. I usually shop at CVS. So I don't know if they no longer carry it, but if you guys can find it, I definitely recommend it. I also like to push the product in, especially because this is for the pores, so I want to make sure that it's filled in. Alright, so moving on to foundation. This foundation I can always count on. It gives me perfect coverage and it matches me perfectly. So this is the L'Oreal True Match. I am in the shade Sand Beige W5 and I love using this. So what I'm gonna do is I actually got a new one. I'm gonna grab it. It doesn't have a pump, unfortunately, but I can live with it. All I'm gonna do is pretty much just dot it all over my face. And to blend that out, I'm gonna grab my Tarte brush. I just love this brush because it's just so big and it could get the job done within like seconds. Alright guys, so moving on to concealer, I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the shade Sand number 20. And this is just going to add extra coverage, and you can apply this on the areas that you need extra coverage as well as concealing the under eye. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab this BH Cosmetics brush and I'm just going to start blending that in. Alright, so before I go in and start setting everything with a powder, I want to go in with this cream highlighter from ColourPop. This is the Lunchmoney Super Shock Cheek. And I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is the Sephora Airbrush Concealer Brush number 57. All I'm going to do is grab some of the product, sweep it on the back of my hand just a little bit, just so we don't get chunks. And it's going to apply smoothly onto the cheekbone. Got a little bit here, but that's okay. I'm also going to add a little bit on the tip of my nose, just like that. Alright, so now to set the face, I'm going to go in with my favorite. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Loose powder. And I'm going to grab my e.l.f. brush. Alright, so I did go in and set those areas as you guys saw. The only area that I did not set is this area right here with the cream highlighter. That's because I'm going to go in with a powdered highlighter and just set that on top. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this Milani Baked Bronzer, and this is in the shade Glow. And I'm not contouring, I'm just bronzing up my face, giving myself some color. So I'm grabbing this BH Cosmetics brush and I'm just grabbing some of this bronzer, and I'm just gonna go in and just apply that. Alright, so for the eyes, I am going to go in with the same bronzer. I'm going to grab that, and this is a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just sweeping this on the eye, all over. And I'm also bringing it in towards the nose. So it's kind of like a slight contour, if you want to say. I'm also going to go in and make sure I add a little bit of this bronzer underneath the lower lash line. Alright, so for today's look, I am not going in with lashes, so I'm going to go in with this eyelash curler and just curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to go in with my Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Alright, so now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Glow Highlighting Gold Bar in the shade Holy Gold Head. This highlighter is so beautiful. It's actually limited edition. I got this one at CVS as well. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush with the highlighter. And I'm just going to apply that right on top of that cream highlighter. And the Cupid's bow and the nose. I'm also going to grab a little bit of this highlighter and apply that with this Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to apply that right here on the brow bone. And a little bit on the inner corner. All right, so moving on to lips, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner from NYX. This is actually one of my favorites. This is in the shade Ever. You can either just leave it with some lip liner, but I'm actually going to go in with this Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Patina. And that is pretty much it, guys. Now I'm going to go in and set my face with this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my Fresh Face Glowy everyday look. And I absolutely love this look. It's just so easy and simple, and it just looks youthful and so simple to do. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quickly and show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's super lightweight, and I feel like that foundation, it just gives you that coverage that you need, that's not overly heavy. And then the concealer on top of that, it just conceals anything else that you need to conceal. And if you want a little bit of extra coverage, you just, you know, spot conceal. And the highlighter, it just brings that glow, and that baked bronzer, it just, everything together, it just looks amazing. And that is exactly what I am showing you guys. Absolutely love it. And this lip, it's just literally like my natural lip, just a little bit more bold and cleaner. I don't know how to explain it, but this is what you're getting right here. I absolutely love it, and hopefully you guys do too. I'm sure that you guys probably own some of these products already, and if you do, try to see how this look looks on you. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look once again. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.